Hey, I'm Annika from iDoc, and in this repair tip I'll show you how to remove your smartphone's battery easily and safely. A battery can be glued in different ways. In the case of Xiaomi and Huawei, it is usually attached with a continuous adhesive film. The battery can be easily lifted out via the tabs of the adhesive film, without having to heat up the adhesive in advance. Apple uses several narrow rubber-like adhesive strips to attach the battery. These have to be pulled out via the tabs underneath the battery. Again, you do not need to heat the adhesive in advance. However, make sure to pull the adhesive strips out from under the battery as flat as possible, so that they do not tear. If one of the adhesive strips tears and the battery is still too tight to remove it, you have to pry it out carefully. You can use a battery spatula for this. Afterwards, remove the remains of the adhesive strips from the case's bottom. Samsung's batteries are usually glued over a large area, which makes removing them particularly difficult. It is important to heat the glue sufficiently first to make the removal easier. We can recommend a professional heat gun for this, but a normal hairdryer is also fine. Never heat the heat-sensitive battery directly, but only from the display side. As soon as the adhesive is sufficiently heated and liquefied, you can attach a suction cup and pull it upwards. The vacuum created in this way allows you to lift up the battery a bit. At the same time, use a lever tool to lever one side of the battery upwards. Once the battery is loosened a bit, take a flat, sturdy plastic tool, such as the iPlastics, and slide it under the battery. Move it in a cutting motion further and further under the battery to loosen it completely from its guide. To prevent the glue from reconnecting in the areas that have already been loosened, you can slide flat plastic pegs under the battery.
Ich hoffe, dieser Reparaturtipp hat dir weitergeholfen.
If this repair tip helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've compiled more tips for your repair in a playlist. Check it out on occasion. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc, everything for your smartphone. You can find more helpful videos here. See you next time!